Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are fine. I am also fine. Welcome to the class of Hindi. In previous class, I am teaching that we are in two-letter words. No, we are all in two-letter words. How to form a two-letter word and which letters are hidden in the two letters. I already explained in previous classes. Now let us know more words in the two-letter words. Okay, I am just writing in English and in Hindi how you are going to understood that word. What is the particular word? What is the pronunciation of particular letter? How to identify a letter? I already explained in previous class. Okay, children. Follow that and you must have to practice well at home, stay safe and do the all homeworks. Okay, children. Okay, now let us start our new word. Okay, before that I am going to write the lesson name. In which lesson we are now? We are in part 1, means we are in first lesson number 1. No, we are in lesson number 1, part 1. Lesson means part. Okay, part. See, पाठ एक दो अक्षर वाले शब्द. I told you know what is that? दो अक्षर वाले शब्द. See, before that only we are in letters and symbols and barakadi. We written as we like. Now see, I am writing lesson name. A big name is there. Know how you have to write. Only first. I told you in previous class also. First you have to write letters first. Then have to finish with the line. Finish with the header. See here. First I am writing all the letters together. See first one. Each letter I am writing. See. Do akshar. Easy. While writing each letter we can understood what is the lesson name. Okay, children. See akshar. Akshara. Akshar. वाले. सी दो अक्षर वाले शब्द. See that I am written all letters, then I finish with the header. You have to follow like this only. Why? Because in Hindi format each and every letter having some you know the letters. No, Varnamala having only some letters with a half header and some letters with a full header it is there. No, then that's why it will give the problem. Then similar letters are there, that's why. Understand, children? First you have to write compulsory the all letters what is related to the word, then have to finish with the header. Otherwise first you have to write the all letters first. Okay, children. Now today's today's words are, see, now two-letter word. Now what is this? Than. How we are going to identify this? First separate the letter. First what we have to do? We have to separate these letters. Which letters are hidden in this word? No, how many letters? Only two. No, just two letters are there. See, first we can separate the letters. Okay, by knowing that we can understood what is the word. Okay, which letters are hidden in this one? First is tha, then plus. We are adding no. We are joining these two. No, to join these two, what? Which symbol we have to use? That is plus symbol. Then in maths you are joining that way. No, that's why. See, what are these? Which two letters? No. Fresh class means, see, you must have to identify what are the letters. Now how we are going to identify the letters? By knowing the Vyanjanakshar letters. Which letters are hidden in this one? These two at least we can identify Swar letters and Vyanjan letters. No, we separated, we know that. Then now see, if we did not identify anyone, what we have to do? I told you, no, what we have to do? First we have to write all the Vyanjanakshar letters. See, first we have to write the all Vyanjan letters. Okay. Now ka, kha, ga, gha, inya, cha, cha, ja, jha, ini, ta, tha, da, dha, ana, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha. See, only I am written only on the board only Vyanjan letters. Which letters I am written? See, only Vyanjanakshar letters. No, these are all format of Vyanjan letters. Swarakshar, no need. Why? Because swar letters somewhere else. If the swar letter will come, we can identify and write the swar also, swar part also. Then up to that time we are writing only Vyanjan letters to identify this. See how we are going to identify this tha. How? See here, if we read these letters, reading by this one. See, ka, kha, ga, gha, inya, cha, cha, ja, jha, ini, ta, tha, da, dha, ana, ta, tha, da, dha, na. Similar letter. Where is the similar letter? Same letter. Here it is there. Tha. What is that? What we read? How we read this one? By knowing this all. By reading this all the format of letters. No. This all letters when we read, where is the letter, and if we see the similar letter, what is the sound of that particular letter, we can understand. These are, I told you, ka, cha, ta, tha, pa. If we write in a word, ka varg, cha varg, ta varg, ta varg, if we write like that, we can identify easily. Or otherwise, what we have to do, you must have to know the Alpa Pranakshar letters. Means half life. I told you, no, with the halant letters are there, a sound is coming in that one. And these letters we can easily pronounce that one. Ka, cha, ta, tha, pa and ga, ja, da, da. These are Alpa Pranakshar letters. I told you, no. Then now, Mahapranakshar. What are in the Mahapranakshar? Mahapranakshar means there we are adding some sound and saying we are keeping our energy to pronounce that letter. Some more energy to say this letter. Understand? If you go to next class, this keys means what I am explaining. This will help you to pronounce a word easily. Understand, children? Now see, kha, kha. What are the sounds are in this one? See, ka. Ka sound is coming. When we start the letter, ka sound is coming and ending with ha. Ka and ha. These two sounds are hidden in this one. See, kha. It will become kha. When we pronounce this letter, this sound will come kha. Ka, starting ka and ending with ha. Kha. What is that? Kha. See in English also. If I am written in English, what are the sounds of this one? By seeing this also, we can identify easily what is the sound of that particular letter. No? Now see here. See here, children. Ka, kha, ga, gha, inya. How I am saying? These are Mahapranakshar. I told you. No? Kha, cha, tha, tha, pha. How we can say? See, these letters are same pronunciation it is given. First letter is starting with the ka and ending with the ha. Everywhere. See, kha, cha, tha, tha, pha. And gha, jha, dha, dha, bha. Automatically, if you know this ka, cha, ta, tha, pa means Alpa Pranakshar, then easily we can pronounce the next Mahapranakshar also. Okay, which letter it is now? We can identify. Now similar letter we saw, and what is the pronunciation of that? We know that. Now what is the letter or what is the pronunciation of that letter? Tha. It is what? Tha. See, I am writing in English also. Tha means a sound also you have to add. It is ta and ha and a. Both sounds you have to add. It is what? Tha. Tha. Sorry. See, three sounds are there. By seeing in English also you can identify. See here, ta. T. T means ta. Ta sound. No, in English T, ta will come and ta also will come. No, then see T, ta sound, then ha. I said ha also have to join. Ha sound and a sound. 3 letters. No, 3 letters are joined in that one. Then we are saying that tha. What is that? Tha. And now these are what Anunasik Vyanjan I told you. No, this is what Anunasik Vyanjan. Then I told you that when we are closing a word, means when we are pronouncing a word, each and every letter is having a halant. If starting with one letter, ending with another letter, if it is there having any matra to that letter, then only we have to say the matra sound and that letter sound both. Then only it will become a word. Now see, it is a word, but see here, starting with one letter, then it is with halant, it is added a letter, then tha it will come. Then ending letter I told you that you must have to take as a halant. Then you have to stop this letter as a halant, means n sound, means a sound it won't come. When we add this one, see, when we add this one, it will become than. Don't read in English, means in Hindi only you have to read. Okay, now see, tha, na, than. This a will go. Understand? Thana. If we add a, thana it will come, but it is not like that. Okay, children. Than. In English the word is than, but not. It is not like that. What are the letters? Seeing this letter, you must have to pronounce the word. It is than. Okay, you must have to know in English. That's why I am writing in English also. Thana, than. Than means what is that? Udder. Than means udder, where the cow is giving milk to us. Milkmen are carrying that milk. No, that one. Children, this is than. Okay, this is than. Than means udder. Okay, now see, moving on to next letter, you have to identify. And what are the letters in that one? We can easily say that. Okay, children. Now see, what is there? Next one. See, what is the letter? What are the letters are hidden in this one? Now by seeing this we can write now. Then now what we have to do? We can add a sound of English also to know the letter. Understand, children? If by knowing that in English we can read easily also. No, how many ways I am teaching now? No, these all the ways I am teaching. You must have to remember these all the points. Okay, children. Then only when you go to next class, then you can easily read a word. You can write a word also. Understand, children? These are the very important points you must have to keep in your mind. Okay, children. Now see here, ja, ga, jag. What is that? Ja and ga. Which two letters are hidden in this one? First one is ja and another one is ga. Ja, ga, jag. Jag means same as in English. J-U-G, jag. No? Now see here, how we are going to identify this letter? By knowing this all Vyanjanakshar letters. Which letters are here? Swar letters are there? No, na? Only Vyanjanakshar letters we are seeing here. See, what is first one? I say ja, no? Ja means ja sound. If you write J-A, see, ja. Where it is, if you identify the verbs or otherwise Alpupranakshar letters, then you can identify easily. See, ka, cha, ta, ta, pa. This one only. You must have to see there. Then ka after ga, ka, cha, ta, ta, pa, and ga, ja, da, da, ba. Where is the similar letter of this one? See here, ja. No? Now to know this one, I am writing in English also. See, what is the sound of this one? Ja. Ja sound. Ja, J and A. Which letters are hidden in this one? Ja means ja, J and A sound is there. I told you that halant sound is also there, no? Halant is also there, no? Then A sound. If you mix A, then only it will become ja, otherwise j. Understand? Now what is the next one? It is a, see, by reading this ka varga, ka, kha, ga, gha, inya. What is that one? Ga, g, a. See, if we add two sounds, then what is the sound of this one? Ja, ga, jag. Ja and ga. Jag. Jag means jug in English. No. Now see, a sound. I told you, no, last letter you must have to take as a halant letter. A sound will go. When you read the letter, when you read a word, if matra is there, means after that letter, if particular symbol is there, then only you have to take out the sound of that letter and that matra. Now if it is not there, you must have to stop there as a halant. Okay, it will become jug. Jug. What is that? Jug. Same in English also, jug. Understand, children, which two letters I explain now? See, tha, na, than. Tha, na, than, adder. Then ja, ga, jug. Ja, ga, jug. Now same two letter words are some are there. See, now I am going to explain some more letters. In English you can read very easily. It is given in your textbook also. Okay. See, nak. What is the sound given here? Na. See, na. N-A, na is na. See, and kh. Kh sound. See, nak. No, it is taken as a halant. No. Are you seeing here? See, na, kh. Nak. Then next, sa, ba. Sab. See, sa, ba, sab. See, this is a sa sound, sa and a sound and b. Halant, as a halant. It took as a halant. See, sa, ba, sab. Two sounds are there. See, in English also. Then now next, ja, ba, jab. J-A-B. See, ja. J sound, ja, ja and a sound and b sound. Both are there, no? Now next, ka, ba, kab. K, ka sound K and a. Ka, ka, a, ka and ba sound. No? The next, u, tha, ut. See, what are the letters there? Everywhere two letters. Which letters are hidden in this one? Everywhere. Without the symbols, these all. Okay? Then now, u, tha, ut. See, u sound. U, t, h, th. See, ut. Okay? Next, g, dha. Gadh. See, g, dha, gadh. See, ga sound, separate I am written. See, ga sound here, then adha sound also there. Gadh. Okay, children? Now, see, I am going to give the homework related to this one. In previous class also, which letters I explained. With that one I will give. Then very easy homework I will give. Only the matching. If you are reading the meaning of this all, you can do the matching very easily. Okay? Now see, you have to match what is the meaning of this one. Okay? Okay? Children, read this all the words and do the matching. Okay, send to your WhatsApp group, send to your class teacher. Okay, children. Till the time, next time when we in next class when we meet, up to that time, post this all matching to your class teacher. Okay, children. Thank you.